So the people want to know what Xay's been up to, you know what I mean? Damn, this is cool having like a little camera like this. People want to know what Xay's been up to, so we in the shop right now. We got a couple BMWs. We got a 2003 530i, and we got a 98 740i. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But the BMWs, I got 2 sets of wheels. I'm about to flip-flop them because I got the M parallels on the BMW 740, and I got some whatever, some stockies or something on the 540. So we just want to see what the flip-flop looks like, you know what I mean? So let's get to it. These ain't staggered M parallels. These are actually like some replicas. So they're both the same size. I think they're 18 by 9.5. And that is why I need a lift. Alright, so I'm just saying this because I have a problem with this on a regular basis when I buy cars. See these lug nuts? If you're not driving a truck, I don't know why you're talking to more than 100 foot-pounds. I've had so many issues getting these lug nuts and these lug studs off of different cars that I buy secondhand, because people think they're sick dogs and they want to put aftermarket wheels on, and they want to crank these lug nuts and lug studs or lug bolts or whatever to the moon. I don't understand why you want, like, are you that afraid? Like, listen, up front, I'm the one who put these on last, so we're gonna see. These are all torque to spec. Easy. Shout out to Milwaukee. Let me hold something. Okay. On to the second thing, right? For those of you who are detailed people and you want to make sure your wheels and tires are going back on properly, you need to do something about the corrosion that builds up on the back side of the wheel and on the rotor. This right here, this ain't that bad. You could probably get away with like a wire brush, but this is an example of something you can use. Shit, my videos are mad unorganized. Like, for real, those who bleed red, you know what I mean? I got everything Milwaukee. I don't even want to get into everything I got Milwaukee, but shout out to Milwaukee for making good stuff at a good price. Like, the fact that Snap-on is trying to charge like $800 for this, and I can get this from Milwaukee for 70 bucks, and it's way better. Like, that's a sponsorship in itself. So I ain't even gonna complain. But yeah. So you could use something like this. They make all types of different stuff for cleaning. For cleaning, you could use these. But basically, all you're gonna do is just hit this real quick. And you're Gucci. That's it. That's all it takes on both sides, on the wheel and on the rotor. That way you know that your wheel's going on there straight and that you're not gonna have an issue with the wheel not being flat against the rotor. That's where the problems arise. So let's swap these wheels over real quick and see what it looks like. This is the before. I mean, I know I kind of already took the wheel off. I'll post a picture, but that's what the before on the 740 looked like. And that's the before on the 540 right there. I mean the 530. I knew this was gonna happen. Mind you, I bought this car from a shop. So this gun just took all the lug nuts off the 740. Now look how we working. Nothing. Nothing. I'm not even gonna keep doing this. Like I said, I bought that car from a shop. Y'all should know how to torque wheels properly. I don't really know what's going on in the world right now, but it seems like every car I buy, I have an issue taking the wheels off. So, shout out to Milwaukee again. Yo, I gotta stop bringing them up because they ain't even really paying me like that to be just running my mouth about them. But before I was using the 3/8, we bringing out the big guns. Cut to the big guns. By all means, this gun should be able to get everything you need to get done on a car done. But every now and then, they want to test you. You gotta bring out the big boy. All right, let's see it. Let's see if this can handle it. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work 99. I'm telling you. Milwaukee got a tool for everything. For everything. And because of rust, this wheel seems to be a little bit stuck on here. Oh no, it's not. We're good. Yeah. So, just to recap, this should be able to get everything you need to get done. This is the Milwaukee 3/8 Gen 2 mid torque, and this is the 1-key 1st gen Milwaukee 1/2 inch high torque. So this is the biggest, coolest gun that Milwaukee makes, with the biggest, coolest battery Milwaukee makes. And this is the medium size setup. Like I said, this should be able to get everything done, but every now and then you're gonna need something like this. You know what I mean? Easy work 99. All right, let's get these wheels swapped. All right, so we finished up. I'll get some better shots. Once we come back, we're going to pick up another whip. But sheesh, boy, I tell you, yo, you could plasti dip rims all you want, you can't hide that you ain't on this level right here. You can't hide it. You know what I'm saying? Fire. Looks good. We kind of had to, you know, take some points off the 740 so that the 530 could shine, but we'll find another set. So yeah, quick little swaps, flip flop, you know what I mean? Now we're about to go check out, see if we can pick up this Escalade. Oh, it looks pretty clean. We'll see. You know, pictures can be deceiving. So we got this all masked off because these rims were a little bit tired. So we're just gonna throw on another coat of that plasti dip, since clearly the paint behind it is a little bit rough. So I went around and just did a little touch-up work. But damn, fire. Damn, that E39 is looking crazy. We gotta get this E38 popping. Alright, so as you can see, plans changed. I thought I was about to spray those on the car. That would have been kind of stupid because I would have got all that dirty. We're down in the basement getting her done, you feel me? Okay, if we could focus. There it is. Had to do that manual mode, but yeah, we're just throwing on a second coat just to kind of clean it up. I mean, it's not gonna look perfect, but it from like 30 feet, you know what I mean? That's all I need, like, you know what I mean? I need like a 20-footer. That ain't nothing. Let's see. These already look a lot better. Not perfect, but hey. Plasti dip, so I could just scrape it off the tire. That ain't nothing. It ain't plasti dip, it's the fake plastic. Or, oh, it's Rust-Oleum. Rust-Oleum ain't fake.
Yeah, those Mustang wheels? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I mean, I hope I have a before shot, but I'm telling you, just a little touch-up paint is getting it there. You know what I'm saying? Just a little touch-up paint is getting it there. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping I can, like...
What? Is this the LS side?
No.
What the fuck? Why does it sound like that? It sounds so mean.
I think it's a cat back. But I think the cats are getting bad.
There's no muffler.
There's no muffler. That's what I'm saying. From the cats up by the engine back, I think it's all straight pipe.
Yeah, it has to be. Sick
Yeah, third. Yeah, third.
That sounds nice.
Summer ain't even start yet. This thing looks so clean. Black on black. This is it right here. Yes, sir. I just can't get over how fire all the cars look. The 740 looks sick with the new blacked out 5 spokes. You already know what's up with this 530. This might end up being my daily. I don't know. I might have to daily that. And the Vic. Woo-wee. Wait till I get that brake light and that ABS light off. I've actually been diagging an ABS issue and a brake light issue on that car. I'm not really that good at diag, but if y'all want to see a little bit of diag, I could try to finesse it. You can see how far I get on the diag side of things. I mean, I kind of made some progress off camera today on that because I don't like dash lights. There's something about a clean dash. Like, this is a 2000 Toyota Tundra and I don't got no lights on the dash. You know what I mean? I don't play that O2 sensor bullshit. Like my 350Z, the fact that I have like a couple dash lights on that alone is annoying, but because that's a race car, I kind of like live with it. But if I'm dailying a car and I gotta hop in and out of it and I got people in it with me and they see a Christmas tree on my car, like that's just not a good look. So, oh damn, I was out of frame that whole time. Did quite a bit of work today on the cars. I'm really liking the way our lineup's looking right now. A lot of our cars are for sale, so you know they come and they go, but we've started to build up somewhat of a small wheel collection. We're slowly building up our parts and whatnot, so I think it's a good me to continue to film, to show, you know, all the homies, everybody, kind of what I've been up to and how I go about handling business. You know what I mean? It's non-stop out here, but you know what I'm saying? It's all for that moment just now. When I was walking out the house and I saw all 3 of those cars looking sharp, I was like, dang. It was a long day. It's 7 o'clock. I started at like 7:30. I'm finishing at 7, which is not bad because the sun's still out. But, you know, that's what it takes to get these cars looking the way they look and driving the way they drive. So, you know, my customers are happy. Shout out to all of you guys. If you're in the comments, holla at me. Quality used cars. If you got a good mechanic, there's no need for a car note. You feel me? There's no need for it. So I think that's it for this video. Had fun filming today. I don't know how sporadic it is, but hopefully I can continue to film more and more videos and maybe start putting in here and there some of the past footage that I have from other projects that I did that never made it. Now that I got this new setup with the tripod and my Canon G7X Mark II, And I got a few batteries. This battery lasted me all day today, so you know, hopefully we can make this a more consistent thing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, yo. Let's see how this look. I got my new vlogging set up. Jeez, real bad man thing. Yo. Ooh, that's fire.